Today we're upgrading this brand new Honda Civic with custom fit seat covers and custom matching floor mats. This is a brand new 2026 Honda Civic. Fresh off the lot, zero wear, 0 miles when it left the dealership. And this is actually the best time to upgrade your interior, not later when it's already worn out. Most people wait until their seats start cracking, staining, or fading. And by then, the damage is already done. What we're doing today is protecting that investment from day one, while also completely changing the look of the interior. Now, factory interiors are cool, but let's be honest, they're made to be basic. One color, one design, nothing that really stands out. So instead of going the reupholstery route and permanently changing the seats, we're installing a full custom set of seat covers in this pink and black spec. And these aren't those loose one-size-fits-all covers people are used to seeing. These are custom fit for this exact vehicle, which means everything lines up the way it's supposed to. The bolsters, the seams, the headrests, all of it. So first thing, I'm getting everything lined up and seated correctly. This part matters the most because if the base isn't right, the rest of the install won't look clean. You want to take your time here, pull everything tight, and make sure the material is sitting exactly where it needs to be. Right here is where people usually rush, and that's what separates a clean install from something that looks like a seat cover. The goal is to make this look like upholstery. Now as I start tightening everything down, you can already see the transformation happening, going from that plain factory look to something that actually feels custom and unique. And another thing, everything still functions like factory. Airbags are still compatible, heated and cooled seats still work, nothing is being blocked or modified. You're just adding a layer on top that completely changes the look. Now I'm working this section in, tucking everything in place, smoothing it out, and making sure there's no wrinkles or looseness anywhere. This is what gives it that tight factory style finish. And this is the part I like the most. You're getting a full interior transformation without actually replacing anything. Your original seats are still underneath, fully protected. So down the line, when it's time to trade the car in or sell it, you can take these off. And your interior is still in brand new condition. No wear, no damage, no loss in value. Most people think you gotta spend thousands on reupholstery to get a look like this. But this is a completely different approach. You get the same custom feel, but with flexibility. Now as I finish tightening everything up, you can see how everything is starting to come together. The stitching, the color contrast, the way it wraps around the seat, this is what gives it that finished look. And we're only on the front seats right now. We still got the back to do. But before I move on to that, if you're thinking about upgrading your interior like this, I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even Starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. And now we're moving on to the rear seats. And this is where a lot of people think seat covers don't fit right or end up looking loose. But just like the front, these are made specifically for this exact vehicle. So everything lines up the way it's supposed to. First thing, I'm getting the bottom seat in place. You want to line everything up before you start tightening anything down. If it's off even a little in the beginning, it's going to show later. So I'm pulling everything tight, making sure the edges are where they need to be. And already you can see it starting to take shape. A lot of people don't put as much effort into the back seats, but this is what actually completes the interior. If the front looks custom and the back still looks factory, it throws the whole build off. Now I'm working these sides in, tucking everything down into the seams, making sure there's no bunching or looseness anywhere. This is what gives it that tight upholstery style finish instead of that typical seat cover look. And again, same as the front, everything still functions like factory. Seat belts, fold down sections, armrests, nothing is being blocked or changed. Now moving up to the backrest, same process. I'm lining it up from the top, working it down evenly, and making sure it's sitting exactly on the contours of the seat. This is where the fitment really shows. You can see how it's wrapping around the shape instead of just sitting over it. That's the difference between something generic and something that's actually made for the car. So now I'm locking everything in place, tightening it down, smoothing everything out, making sure there's no wrinkles at all. You want to take your time here because once it's tight and clean, it really starts to look like a full custom interior. And while I'm finishing this up, You can already see how everything is matching up with the front. Same pink and black, same stitching, same fit all the way through. It doesn't look like a cover anymore. It actually looks like this is how the interior came. And the best part is, none of this is permanent. Underneath all of this, your original seats are still brand new, fully protected from spills, wear, and everyday use. So later on, when it's time to trade the car in or sell it, you can take these off and your interior is still in perfect condition. Now I'm going through, tightening these last sections, making small adjustments, pulling everything into place. Just making sure every edge is sitting exactly where it needs to be. Making sure everything is tucked deep into the seams, straps are fully secured, and nothing shifts around once it's installed. This is the part that really separates a clean install from an average one. Just taking that extra time to get everything tight and lined up right. No sagging, no loose spots, just a smooth factory style finish all the way across. Everything is locked in, everything is sitting flush, exactly how it's supposed to look. And just like that, rear seats are fully wrapped, fully matched to the front. Full interior transformation without changing the original seats. Now I'm going straight into the next step. Let's finish this off with the floor mats. Now we're moving on to the floor mats. Because this is what really ties the whole interior together. You can't upgrade the seats and leave the floors looking basic. It just doesn't match. So we're going with a full custom set to match the pink and black interior. Same theme, same attention to detail. Right away I'm setting the new mats in place, lining everything up so it fits exactly how it's supposed to. These are molded specifically for this vehicle, so they're not sliding around or bunching up. Everything sits tight and secure. I'm pressing everything down, making sure all the edges are tucked in clean and fully seated. You want to make sure every corner is pushed in properly, especially around the edges and under the seats. That's what gives it that full coverage look. That's a big difference right there, coverage. These aren't just flat mats. They wrap up the sides, protect the edges, and keep dirt, spills, and wear off your actual carpet. So over time, your original flooring still stays in perfect condition underneath. Now I'm going around, checking the fitment, making sure everything is sitting exactly where it needs to be with no gaps. Everything is sitting flush, tight, and clean. Exactly how it should. And visually, this is what completes the interior. Now the seats match the floors. Same pink and black combo. Same custom fit all the way through. It doesn't feel like a stock Honda anymore. It feels like something fully upgraded. And this is really what brings everything together. Not just the seats, but the entire interior flowing as one design. And again, just like the seat covers, these are fully removable. So if you ever want to switch styles or go back to stock, you can do that without damaging anything. Plus they're easy to clean. You can pull them out, wipe them down, and keep everything looking new without putting wear on your original carpet. Especially in a daily driver, this is what keeps your interior from getting beat up over time. Now I'm finishing up these last sections, making sure everything is aligned, flat, and fully secured. No curling edges, no movement, just a clean, tight finish all the way across. Everything is locked in, everything is sitting exactly where it needs to be, giving it that full custom look from top to bottom. Brand new 2025 Honda. Fully transformed interior from front to back. Pink and black, everything matching, everything flowing together. This is what a full custom look feels like. Without reupholstering a single thing. Clean fit, tight finish, and your original interior is still protected underneath the whole time. If you made it this far, this is just one of many builds we're doing. On the left, check out another install video just like this. And on the right, hit that subscribe button. Because on this channel, we're not just doing seat covers. We're showing full how-to and DIY upholstery builds, step by step. So if you're trying to upgrade your interior the right way, make sure you're locked in